Hello everyone, I'm Joseph, electrical engineering student. I am really interested in Fibonacci sequence and naturally occurring shapes and patterns, and I want to show you a couple pictures of cool stuff that I found. I can move this out of the way. There we go. So Fibonacci sequence, naturally occurring, and Nautilus, the human body. Here's some of the patterns for how to make it here, which is great. Let's see if I can find a picture. There's a picture of the human hand. So I'm basically trying to draw this in Rhino. And so I imported my pictures here using picture frame to sort of use as a reference. And you can see that if you were to start here and go around and go basically diagonal, but sort of smoothing out the curves around like this, you would get that Fibonacci shell, the Nautilus shell. So I don't know how to do that yet. I'm hoping that maybe one of you can figure it out or knows how to do it, kind of point me in the right direction to sort of try to make a nice perfectly curved line that goes through these points. Yeah, so if anyone has any feedback, let me know. I'd be really appreciative. Thank you. Hi everyone, just wanted to show you a problem that I had, and I think I know what the solution is, but maybe you know and can tell me. I was trying to draw a more complex shape here and kind of see what I wanted it to look like. And when I select my points with F10, I can see that these points aren't matching up anywhere. And I think that that's what's causing me to not be able to move this around as I want to in class. So I would redo this, obviously. Another cool thing that I've been kind of messing with and going back and forth between is sort of this concept of using a picture as a reference as opposed to using it as something you can trace over. And we learned about this obviously in class, but it took me a while to remember how to do it. But basically, for just a reference picture like this, you're going to use picture frame. And then if you want to put something behind grid lines, you can see that you can actually kind of really get detailed here. You're going to want to go to View, Background Bitmap, and Place. And I guess we can just go through another one here. Okay, so here I went back and redrew this without trying to use any shortcuts, and this kind of gave me the shape that I was looking for. It was a little more complex than the pyramid, not terribly complex, but you can kind of see if my computer stops freezing. This is really great. So let's use this. Wow. So yes, not spectacular, but making some progress.